So hello, welcome to the madness. I know that it looks terrible, but I'm trying to tackle, this is basically all the stuff that was out for Christmas. No, I did not leave it up until this very moment, okay? But they were literally on a corner of the house because I was waiting for these transparent boxes, which were delayed. We just got them from Wilko. I don't know why they took, ages to arrive. It's very late. I just finished some work. I managed to go get my nails done and to do a few bits and bobs, and now I just could not look at this stuff on the corner of the living room anymore. So I thought, while I deal with it, which shouldn't take too long, I would just start the vlog, because I said that I wanted to start being consistent and uploading every Wednesday, Friday and Sunday. And I was literally this close not to upload. So yeah, here we are, join me in this madness. I hope it's going to be relatively quick to tackle. I'm still not sure whether to keep things like these. It's even worth, ooh, it's not my phone, hang on. Yes, this is she. No, it just one day it went numb and like warm for like 30 seconds. And then a couple of days after it started clicking, and like that for the past month. Okay, bye. Right, so that was the GP. Little interruption, but basically my knee started clicking every time I do the stairs or squats or things like that. So I just wanted to check that everything is okay and that I haven't damaged it while training at the gym. It sounds good that they're saying that they're not concerned, but they did tell me to go to a physio or someone specialized in people that do heavy lifting. Very chaotic vlog, but this is what it is today. Also, look at this. I think those are the cutest little French tips I've ever seen. I love them. What was I saying? I am starting again my PT course, well, to get my PT certificate. I stopped for about 6 months because the company, well, the school that I'm doing it with, they are up north of England, and it's not that I can just get the tutors to examine me, do like the different assessments, and so the only other way was to film myself at the gym and send the videos for them to assess me. But because we moved to this town not too long ago and we changed gym, so I really didn't know anybody there to film. So yeah, I had to stop basically studying for 6 months, and then all of a sudden I just made a friend at the new gym literally recently. It was a few weeks before Christmas, and we were talking, and it turns out that she's comfortable being filmed and she's comfortable being my client kind of thing. So yeah, that's great news. So I think I'm going to film her this Sunday if everything goes well, so I can submit it. And then one more step and I have my level 2 in fitness instructor, and then once I pass that, I will formally be doing the PT course, which is slightly different. It's way more intense, way more specialized on one-to-one coaching and things like that. Once I'm done with that, I will have my PT certificate. Hopefully I can start working in that area instead of doing my job, which I don't really like. So yeah, so hopefully everything is going to be slowly better and I will be able to be happier on a daily basis, because let me tell you, doing a job every single day that you just dread, it's not great. I'm trying to follow a system, so like leafy decorations, tree decorations, this bubble don't fit, so leave it there. And maybe here I can do things like lights. Yeah, that's my life update, I guess, of everything that has been going on lately. And also, I never managed to keep this plant alive for so long. So I have absolutely no idea what to do with it. Do you plant it? Do you keep it inside? Do you keep it outside? Like, do they keep growing? I literally give it water whenever I remember, so probably once a week, and weirdly it's still alive. So yeah, I just don't know what I'm supposed to do with it. So this is the situation so far. So we got tree decorations and tiny trees, leafy things, bubbles that don't fit, lights. That one goes in that box. That I'm trying to keep empty because it goes on top of our wardrobe in our bedroom, and I would like to use it as storage. So I don't know if I should put this soft furnishing things in there, or I cannot find, I had some vacuum bags to put the pillows. You're not going up in the attic, are you? What you doing in the box? He's ready to be packed up. What you doing? Okay. Oh my goodness. Right, so we have Christmas stuff there, Christmas stuff down there, loads of space still to go. That's the loft up there. We don't have a fancy hatch. Maybe we'll install it, probably not. So the ladder it is. I contributed 0 to putting the stuff up. I literally done nothing. I just packed and handed over. So that's much better. We got one box left, which is actually a really good thing because in a couple of weeks the new bed is going to arrive, and the bed is, trying to get the laptop so I can show you. The bed is a ottoman bed, so we have obviously the storage underneath available for us to use. However, because the current bed is a normal one with legs and we just chucked a bunch of stuff underneath, I have a feeling one thing is to have the space underneath the bed between the bed frame and the floor. Another thing is to have like a contained space. I feel like in terms of, I don't know, actual, I said space 400 times, but yeah, in terms of actual space to put stuff is going to be maybe a little bit more restrictive, even though the bed is technically bigger. I don't know, let me show you here. That is the bed in that sort of patty cotton they call it, and it's a beautiful linen. I have the sample upstairs, maybe I'll show you later. The pictures of people have taken, it just looks beautiful. I know you can't really see it very well, but it's just, I don't know, I just love it. I feel like it's really a vibe. And it just so happens that the other day I saw a picture on a reel on Instagram of that same exact bed with a sort of dark green painted wall behind it, and I just thought it was a whole vibe. I don't know, there's something really nice between, I'm not sure about this type of paneling in particular, but I really like the green wall and the dark grey throw, and that is exactly the bed that we ordered. So yeah, I'm just really excited for it to come. So I'm not gonna lie to you, I was gonna go upstairs to show you something. The battery died. I realized that my 3 backup batteries weren't charged. Put them to charge. Sat down, started scrolling on TikTok. An hour has gone by. It's deadly. Let me tell you, scrolling on the phone, it just takes away all the motivation I had, all the energy. It puts me in this mindset where I'm like stressing, like, am I doing enough with my life? Am I doing this well? I'm comparing myself with others. But anyway, on the other hand, I've been in such a good mood lately. I have been really trying to work on my perception of everything that happens around me, if it makes sense. And, you know, these moments where scrolling on the phone would have let me down, I would have probably stopped filming this. I would have just given up on this video, you know, and just waited a week, a month or whatever until I started vlogging again or start filming again. I don't know, I feel like actually it's doing a disservice to anyone who is watching this, if you ever watch this. Because if anyone feels the same, but everyone sort of hides it or, you know, deletes the footage and you never talk about it, then you might feel like you're alone, or you know that not many people can understand you. So there you go. I get you if you're feeling the same. I am learning to move past it. I'm learning to get off this funk, because literally nothing has happened. Nothing bad has happened to make me want to quit filming or whatever. It's just in my head, and I just get like, start second guessing myself and start being like, oh, this is not good enough. I don't know, just complaining. But yeah, now I want to go upstairs and show you what I wanted to show you to begin with when I started climbing these stairs, which actually comes really well with what I was talking about of being in a good mood lately and try to see things more positively. Also, yeah, that's the bed. One of the things that actually has helped me a lot to start the day right, end the day on not only in a positive note, but reflecting on what I could have done better during the day, and just keeping a positive mindset or a positive lens through which you see things. And that has been the 5 minutes journal. I honestly love it. I was convinced by Whitney Simmons to get it. She was raving about it. I think she talked about it many times, and I just decided on, I think it was New Year's Eve, to order it and give it a go. So yeah, I started it exactly on the 4th of January, and I've been doing it every day so far. I haven't skipped a single day, so that's been good, and it's just great. It just tells you 3 things that you're grateful for, 3 things that you could do to make the day better, as well as 2 things that, you know, daily affirmation, 2 things that you want to believe in. And as well at nighttime, you as well take 2 minutes to do 3 things that have happened today that were amazing, and 1 or 2 things that could have made the day even better again. So yeah, the top is more about what you could do today to make the day great, and then the last 2 are more about, okay, the day has been, reflect upon how you behaved, how you reacted, how you, yeah, just what happened, and upon the reflection, what you can do to make, for example, tomorrow better, or to learn from it. So yeah, it's a little thing that actually has helped me a lot. It has little phrases at the top that are very nice and inspirational and positive. It explains you how the book works, which is, I think, fundamental for it to work. But mostly it's just me, it's my head, it's me believing these things and putting it on paper, and I'd say acting on it throughout the day. And yeah, I just really recommend it. I think it's awesome. The other things has been reading books for 20 minutes before going to bed. So yeah, for 20 minutes I read, and then for 3 minutes I write this before going to sleep. And again, it has really helped me mentally, instead of scrolling on the phone and just wasting the last half an hour / hour of the day stressing or thinking, or just like mindlessly just looking at stuff appearing on the screen. Reading a book is honestly the best thing. This is a classic. This is Pride and Prejudice. Josh got me for Christmas a collection of this sort of fabric books, and they have a collection of not only Jane Austen but a couple of more, and then if you buy the whole thing, so there's like multiple packs. Again, classics. I digress. I love the fact of reading before going to bed. Josh has his book, I got mine. We just are next to each other reading, then we end up talking, then I write my book and we go to sleep, and it's just much nicer. And it honestly, it obligates you to start your whole process of routine of brushing your teeth, cleaning your face, etc much earlier. So by the time you're like, okay, you know, half an hour until we need to fall asleep, so let's go, and you have that time to unwind and just relax, and your brain to start shutting down. So yeah, I really recommend it. So yeah, I know this vlog has been a little bit all over the place and a bit random with the Christmas decorations there, but I just wanted to as I said, pick up the camera, move past the little funk I had halfway through, and just talk, really. If you'll enjoy these kind of things, I do. I said a million times, I enjoy watching people do absolutely nothing remarkable and just talking. So I thought I'd just put it out there as well. I really hope you like this random vlog. Even if you didn't, just give it a like, it costs you nothing. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to turn the bell notification on so you know when I upload more random videos. As I said, I will try my best to vlog on Saturday. I need to get my hair cut, we need to find a mattress, so hopefully it's going to be a little bit more interesting and dynamic, and you know, I'll bring you to the gym, etc, etc. So yeah, I really hope that you will follow along, and hopefully I will see you the next time. Ciao!